Alright, so we're going to go into our AVD manager and we're going to create a virtual device. And in here, we're going to go with the, well, let's go with the Pixel 2 here. Hit next, and we'll download the Pi image. You're going to have to accept this, hit next. Or I guess you don't have to accept it, but it's not going to let you go very much further if you don't. Alright, finish here. And we've now got that image. Go ahead and hit next. Let's go ahead and accept this. All the default settings should be okay. And now that's there. Let's see if we can run the image. Come on. Here we go. And there's the emulator. And it appears to be booting up.